Hello everyone, welcome back to Solution Unlock channel, your go-to channel for data analytics, Gen AI and career building content. If you are enrolled in TATA Gen AI Powered Data Analytics Internship on Forage, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into task 3. The focus will be business reporting and data storytelling, specifically for our collection strategy. You will learn how to analyze payment trends, segment customer behaviors, and generate Gen AI powered narratives that drive decision making, and need to prepare a two-page summary report. Develop a structured recommendations for a framework and discuss ethical considerations for financial decision making and customer fairness. Hit next, and now it's time to translate those insights into a business ready report for the client. Go through this page as there is nothing new shared. Moving forward, here is turning predictive insight into business value, where predictive insights are patterns your model uncovered and business recommendations in the next step, a practical strategic action that team can take based on the insight. Understand the rule and hit next. Here, they discuss that a strategy recommendation should be more than a good idea and a simple process to help your structure works. Step 1 is restate the insight. That means keep it factual and clear. Step 2 is brainstorm actions. That means list a range of potential responses considering different types of interventions. Step 3 is evaluate your option. Step 4 for your recommendation. That's craft a smart action, specific, measurable, actionable, relatable, and time bound. The last is step 5. That is justify it. That means explain why this is the best choice, providing a clear rationale. Go through these steps thoroughly because by using these steps, you will not only demonstrate strong analytics thinking, but you will also help the collective team move confidently from data to action. Next is best practices for presenting AI driven insights to stakeholders that are known your audience. Lead with what matters most. Use clear, structured language. Use specific visuals. Anticipate business concerns. And lastly, focus on action and impact. After that, we have consideration for ethical AI, biases, explainability, and responsible decision making. Understand it by own as there is nothing new. Let's start the quiz. Here we have three questions. First is which of the following best demonstrate a well structured recommendation based on a predictive insight? And the answer will be after that, when presenting AI driven insights to a non-technical stakeholder, which approach is most effective? An answer is highlighted the key risk pattern and link it to a relevant business action in plain language. Lastly, which of the following reflects a responsible approach to using a predictive model in financial services? It's reviewing whether the model introduced bias or unfair treatment across different customer groups. Finally, we have the main task. Let's explore step by step. Stay connected as I will be sharing the answer accordingly. Step 1, summary of predictive insights. Use insights from your EDA task 1 and the structured predictive model frame task 2 to explain what key customer segments are at high risk of delinquents, which variables most strongly influence delinquents, and create a simple 3 bullet list of top 3 risk factors for easy communication. For this, our predictive model identifies several customer segments at elevated risk of credit card delinquents. Key risk indicators include high utilization, missed payment, and elevated debit to income ratios. These insights can prioritize which customer may benefit most from early outreach or financial support strategies. Step 2 is recommendation framework. Choose one key insight and turn it into a smart business recommendation. Think thorough. What action the business could take based on this insight? What action could be most effective, feasible, and aligned with delegate goals? How you would explain the recommendation to a stakeholder and write one smart goal and 1 to 2 sentences explanation for stakeholders. That is restated insight was customer under 30 with 2 or more missed payment have A significantly higher likelihood of delinquents. Proposed recommendation is launched a 6-week pilot outreach campaign targeting this segment with proactive SMS and email messaging. The goal is to offer tailored payment plan or financial counseling support before accounts reach 30 plus days delinquent. A smart goal will be for the specific focus on a clear defined high risk group. Measurable will be target a 10 to 15% reduction in delinquents within the pilot group. Actionable will be uses existing communication infrastructures. Relevant will be the align with Delgium goal to reduce credit risk and improve customer outcomes. The last time bound will be designed as a time limited pilot with measurable outcomes. Lastly, step 3 is ethical and responsible AI consideration. Outline a brief ethical section covering any fairness or bias concerns your model or recommendation might raise. How you would explain the model's prediction to non-technical stakeholder, how your approach prompts responsible and transparent AI uses, and list two fairness risks and how you could mitigate them. The model was evaluated for fairness using multiple performance metrics across age and income groups. No disproportionate flagging of protected segmented was observed. For bias, we tested for over-representations in delinquents predictions and found a balanced outcomes across customer demographics. For explainability, the model uses logistics regression, which allow clear explanation of how key variables influences predictions. For reasonable use, the recommendation is focused on early supportive interventions rather than plaintiff actions, reinforcing fairness and customer care principles. Use the report template provided to guide formatting. We need to upload two-page report as a Word or PDF file. Here you are done with the task 3. Now break the task and go to the next task. Hope it helps you in the task completion. If there is any query, comment below. Moreover, like and subscribe to the channel for data analytics related content.